Bitcoin 101 Frequently Asked Questions Part 4 Question Numbers 31 to 40 www.learnbusell.com
31. What if someone bought up all the existing bitcoins? "32. What if someone creates a better digital currency? "33. Why do I have to wait for Bitcoin transaction confirmation?" "34. How much will the Bitcoin transaction fee be?" "35. What if I receive a Bitcoin when my computer is powered off?" "36. What does synchronizing mean in Bitcoin and why does it take so long?" "37. What is Bitcoin mining?" "38. How does Bitcoin mining work?" "39. Isn't Bitcoin mining a waste of energy?" "40. How does mining help secure Bitcoin?"